all-day affair.
Is that from Dada and Mommy?
What is that?
What is it?
It's a mommy.
What is it, Emma?
It's a baby.
But what's on there?
It's pony.
Ponies. It's a pony puzzle.
I play it?
We'll play it later. You got more to unwrap first. You want to unwrap some more and then we'll play later?
Back.
Is it easier to open on the back?
I guess so.
Got it all figured out now.
I'm videotaping her. Two! Another one.
Is that a puzzle too?
Yeah.
Another puzzle.
That's more.
The next one.
Next one.
Yep.
Oh, yes.
Oh my.
Oh.
Got a good daddy and mommy. I can take me taking pictures.
I must have used the end of the tape roll on that one.
Mama, take a picture.
I'll take some pictures of her after
You forgot about that one.
Video.
Got half the stuff.
I know, because we got it all long enough ago.
It ain't a video.
Mm-mm.
Cars!
Yeah, it's in another book for your tag.
Cars. And this one?
What is that?
It's for her little.